Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hot glue guns that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a crafter, or just need a reliable tool for quick home repairs, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly mini hot glue gun by SH Jade. Priced at just $7.99, this is the most affordable option on our list, making it perfect for those who need a simple glue gun for occasional crafting or small repairs. It heats up in just 1 to 2 minutes, thanks to its 20-watt fast heating system, and comes with 30 glue sticks right out of the box. Despite its low price, it features an ergonomic, lightweight design with a fold-up stand for added convenience. This mini glue gun is ideal for smaller projects, including DIY crafts, kids' school projects, and even light home repairs. The precision nozzle helps reduce glue waste, and the on-off switch is a nice touch for added safety, especially if kids are using it. However, its smaller size means it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty tasks or prolonged use. Additionally, the plastic build feels a bit less durable compared to higher-end models. Overall, the SH Jade Mini Hot Glue Gun is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious users who need a compact, easy-to-use tool. If you're new to crafting or only need a glue gun occasionally, this is a great option to start with. Just keep in mind its limitations when it comes to more demanding projects. Coming in at number 4 is the Kreitlink Hot Glue Gun Kit, priced at $8.49. This glue gun heats up quickly in just under 2 minutes, thanks to its PTC ceramic heating system, and maintains a constant temperature for consistent glue flow. It also comes with 30 glue sticks, so you're ready to start crafting or repairing right out of the box. The anti-drip nozzle is a standout feature, providing precise glue application while keeping your workspace clean. The ergonomic design of the handle and the lightweight build make this glue gun comfortable to use, even for extended periods. A foldable bracket allows for easy standby positioning, and the compact size makes it easy to store. This glue gun is versatile, working well with materials like plastic, wood, paper, and even artificial flowers, making it ideal for a wide range of home and crafting applications. The Kreitlink Hot Glue Gun strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. However, its build quality feels slightly less robust compared to more premium options, and the glue stick capacity may require frequent refilling during larger projects. Still, for under $10, this glue gun provides exceptional value, especially for hobbyists and DIYers looking for a reliable entry-level tool. At number 3, we have the Gorilla Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit. Known for their high-quality adhesives, Gorilla brings the same level of reliability to this dual-temperature mini glue gun. Its dual-temp setting allows you to switch between low and high heat, making it suitable for delicate materials like floral arrangements and fabrics, as well as tougher surfaces like wood and plastic. It also comes with a precision nozzle, 30 glue sticks, and an easy squeeze trigger for controlled application. This glue gun is all about user safety and convenience. It features a comfort grip, a built-in stand, and side fins that allow the gun to be laid on its side without causing glue backup. The safety fuse ensures the gun automatically shuts off in the event of a short circuit. While this glue gun is slightly heavier than some competitors, its sturdy build quality ensures durability and long-term use. The Gorilla Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit is perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable, versatile tool for a variety of projects. Its higher price point compared to other mini glue guns may be a downside for some, but the enhanced features and brand reputation make it well worth the investment for serious users. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, we have the Gorilla Full-Size Hot Glue Gun Kit. This is the larger version of the mini glue gun and comes packed with even more power and functionality. It features the same dual temperature setting for versatility, and it includes a generous 45 glue sticks, making it ideal for larger scale projects. With a high heat setting for strong bonding and a low heat option for delicate materials, This glue gun can handle just about anything you throw at it. The design is robust and well-balanced, with a wide base for stability and an insulated nozzle for precise application. The easy squeeze trigger reduces hand fatigue during extended use, and the safety fuse ensures peace of mind. This glue gun is heavier than the mini version, but the trade-off is a durable, high-performance tool suitable for professional-level projects. The Gorilla full-size hot glue gun is perfect for serious crafters, DIYers, and even professionals. Whether you're working on intricate decorations or heavy-duty repairs, this model delivers consistent performance. The only downside is its relatively higher price and bulkier design, but for those who need a reliable and versatile glue gun, it's hard to beat. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the HHD QFTSLG cordless hot glue gun. At $19.89, this is the premium option on our list, and it's packed with features that justify the price. The cordless design offers unparalleled freedom of movement, making it ideal for projects where a power outlet isn't readily available. It heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes and maintains a consistent temperature for smooth, drip-free glue application. The build quality is excellent, with a heat-resistant PBT plastic body and an anti-drip nozzle that minimizes waste and mess. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design make it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. It's versatile enough for a wide range of applications, from crafting and decorating to quick home repairs. The included 30 glue sticks ensure you have everything you need to get started. While the HHDQ FTSLG cordless hot glue gun is the most expensive option on our list, its combination of portability, performance, and build quality makes it the best overall choice for users who want a high-quality, hassle-free experience. The only downside is that it needs to be charged between uses, but for most DIYers, this is a small price to pay for the convenience of going cordless. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.